Hey everybody, I got my package today and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. It's the Apple credit card. I'm approved, I'm dope. Okay, comes in a cardboard box like thing. This is probably nothing special because it's just a freaking credit card. But it's made out of titanium. Alright, that comes in another one. Another case, it's all white, very Apple. And there it is. It says my name. Oh wow. It actually, once it focuses, it actually feels really nice. Okay, that's it. Keith, come here.
Yes.
Look at it.
Ooh.
I know, it feels nice in the hands.
Oh, it does.
I feel very special. There's George Washington.
George.
Say hi.
Hello. It actually is,
It's cool, right? I mean,
that's pretty sexy.
I know. I want to give this, I just want to use it now. I'm just like, here you go. Here's my card.
Here's my card. You have American Express Black. I have Apple.
Yeah, it's a MasterCard. There's no numbers at all. That's why people are just showing it off. There's nothing, so that's dope. But it says my name.
Which is weird if you want to use that for Square.
Yeah, why?
Like if they don't have their reader, they can't use that.
They don't have the reader.
Mm-hmm. Like with Square or Stripe, if you're trying to pay somebody and they don't have their card reader, you can manually enter in the card number and stuff.
Oh no, on your Apple phone you can see it. Your Apple phone, your iPhone.
Your Apple phone.
Yeah, you can ask for the details and it gives you that information. And you know, I think they want to just push out Apple Pay anyway, so this is like just secondary. Because I think if you use the Apple Store, you get more cash back or something.
Nice.
Cute.